So, student, as you already study that which war we have studied before this war, that is war with Mysore. In that war, whosoever is there, Hyder Ali. Then after Hyder Ali, who will be there? Tipu Sultan. And after Tipu Sultan is there when the last battle was took place in 1799. That time the battle was took place, and what happened that time? Who helped East India Company? Marathas and Nizam of Hyderabad helped East India Company to capture the area of south side in India. So as we all know, every time whenever the East India Company won the battle, that time the biggest reason behind the Indian people only, because they want in the conspiracy of East India Company, and after that we gradually slowly we even defeated our territory in the hand of East India Company. Okay, now after that, what particular war we are going to study? Story of Maratha Empire. First of all, that we are going to study about the Marathas. Okay, what are Marathas and how they come, and what is the conspiracy. Now when Maratha gave hand in the East India Company while the battle of Mysore war, so they thought that if we are the friend of East India Company, so they may not attack us, and they may even not going to come and capture their territories, their land area. They were thinking like that, but East India Company were very much greedy on that time, and they want each and everything, because after capturing the south, they were thinking that if we will capture the area of Maratha side, because in the Maratha the area that cover, that is MP, Maharashtra, Nagpur, Pune, and all these area will be covered in the Maratha Empire. So they captured that. Vision of capture Delhi, third battle of Panipat. Hope you remember the third battle of Panipat in class 7th. You have studied about this battle. Okay, Marathas were defeated in 1761. Defeated in that 1761. Okay, Maratha were divided into many states under different chief. Sardar means Maratha. The people, those who were in many states. Chief is known as Sardar. The person who worked over there, they were known as Sardar. Okay, where the area of Marathas will be spread in MP and all over side, that is Sindhya, that we are knowing. They are presently also live in Gwalior, so that previously also they were in Gwalior. Holkar in Indore, Gaikwad Baroda, Bhosle Nagpur. Okay, these were the area where they were living, and the most importantly, the person who is ruling over all the things, they were known as Peshwas, and they were living in Pune. Okay, they were based in Pune. They were known as Peshwas. Okay, now I'm circling. I'm doing a circle it for you, student. Please see it. Chief were held together in confederacy under the Peshwa principal minister based on Pune and Sindhya, Holkar and all. So hope you remember that when they were in, they come this side. So the Indore where we are living, that area is also under the hand of Holkar Samaj, Ahilya Bai Holkar. As we all know, we even know this is the city of Ahilya Bai Devi, and she also belongs to the Holkar family. She was the Rani of Holkar. Sindhya, the story of Jhansi, in that you may already know. Gaikwad, Bhosle, these are the people. Now the principal minister, they were known as the Peshwas, the person who is ruled over the things. They were known as Peshwas, and they were based in Pune, means they were living in the Pune. Then two more person of the main soldier of Maratha, their name is Mahanji Sindhya and Nana Pandis. Okay, Mahanji Sindhya and Nana Pandis were the two main soldier of Maratha kingdom. Okay, were two main soldier. This question comes in one word also. Who were the two main soldiers of Maratha kingdom? So Mahanji Sindhya and Nana Pandis. Okay, so please write the spelling in your copy even, so it will help you while understanding the thing. So again, as we all know, they were very much greedy, lord of profit and territory. Who? East India Company. So they entered in Maratha side. So first of all, the first Anglo-Maratha war happened in 1772 to 1782. Then second is in Maratha war 1802 to 1805. and the third is 1817 to 1819. So these were the time when was the Maratha war took place in India. So Maratha was very much stronger ruler than anyone else, because their kingdom spread in all over the central side of India. Okay, their kingdom expanded in all over the central side of India, and the East India Company thought that we were not having a power like Marathas to defeat them. Okay, so that time what particular thing they have performed, they have again planned one conspiracy against Maratha kingdom, because few of the ruler every time the one thing is there, हमने इंडिया का एरिया, इंडिया की ज़मीन जितनी बार भी हारी है उसका बेसिक रीज़न हमारे इंडिया के लोग ही रहे हैं, बिकॉज जो हमारे यहाँ इंटरनली जो फाइटिंग चलती है राज्य के लिए, चेयर के लिए, ये जो फाइटिंग होती है कि मैं किंग बनूं, मैं राजा बनूं, उसकी वजह से हमेशा हमने जब भी कुछ हारा है उसका रीज़न सिर्फ ये और सिर्फ यही रहा है. और whenever the East India Company defeated, when that war of Mysore time, then also East India Company have performed one thing that over there, कि they have captured, they signed a treaty कि we will not attack, and then again after some time they again attack to India. They have signed one letter like that. That thing happened. Now what thing happened? In first Anglo War, Anglo-Maratha War, in this war there was no clear victor. It ended with the Treaty of Salbai, and British got the right to occupy Salisbury. Same as treaty again in second Anglo-Maratha War that took place in 1802 to 1805. In 1802, Peshwa Bajirao II signed a Treaty of Basin. By this treaty, and Marathas were forced to occupy the terms of subsidiary alliance. Means Maratha को बोला गया कि अब आपको subsidiary alliance follow करना पड़ेगा if your king is not having army, and if we are sending our army in your areas while if someone attacked you, and if we are sending our army, so you have to pay some money. So that time what happened, after some time the money of Maratha's kingdom was going to be astonished, going to be finished. Okay, so that particular time what happened, automatically the kingdom is in the hand of East India Company. Hope you remember the subsidiary alliance policy. So recall that policy. Scandia and Bhosle refused to accept this, and second Anglo-Maratha war took place. फिर भोसले उसको रिफ्यूज़ कर देते हैं एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए, तो सेकेंड एंग्लो मराठा वॉर हो जाती है सब्सिडरी अलायंस वाली पॉलिसी को. भोसले वॉज रिफ्यूज्ड. देन in this war were defeated and were made to enter into the terms of subsidiary alliance. The British got control over Orissa territories between the Ganga and Yamuna, Ganges and Yamuna. The Peshwa become the disgruntled puppet of their hand. Means Peshwa will be worked as a puppet in the hand of East India Company, worked as a puppet. And which particular area that will be captured by Marathas, that is Ganges and Yamuna, means near to Ganga and Yamuna river, Delhi side area. And the third Anglo-Maratha war took place in 1817 to 1819, 2 years. This war finally crushed the power of Marathas. This war finally, at last, finally crushed the war Marathas properly. And Peshwa was dethroned, means finished कर दिए गए थे, and give pension. पेशवा को पेंशन एंड सेंट टू बिठूर नियर कानपुर, और उन्हें बिठूर भेज दिया गया था नियर टू कानपुर. ओके, एंड द कंपनी बिकेम द पैरामाउंट पावर इन इंडिया. एंड कंपनी ने फुल्ली पैरामाउंट पावर कर लिया था इंडिया में, बिकॉज होप यू रिमेंबर दैट मैप एरिया दैट आई हैव शोन यू प्रीवियसली. नाउ आफ्टर दैट विच पर्टिकुलर एरिया, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे हैव कैप्चर्ड बंगाल in Battle of Plassey, Battle of Buxar. Then they come to Mysore, south side. Then they come to central part of India, that is Maratha. Then after that they annexation of Sindh. What particular thing they have started? Annexation of Sindh. East India Company was worried about the Russian invasion from this side, and they were annexed, and British India to Afghanistan through the Bolan Pass. And armies of Sindh and promised and all the things. Then again treaty was signed and everything. Same happened while capturing the Sindh side. And after they captured the Sindh area, and finally they annexed Sindh in 1843. See this. 1843 finally they captured the Sindh area, and while capturing the Sindh area they have fought with the French army too, because with the French their relationship is not too much good, because from the very old time Britain and French people have not together worked together. And after that, what particular thing happened? After annexation of Sindh, they have annexed Punjab. Finally, the company rule in Punjab in 1849. Again, same particular thing happened. And they fought with the Maharaja Ranjit Singh Mills and the kingdom. So many people were there with them. But they again defeated that area, because their kingdom is going to be expanded rapidly. And at that time Maharaja Ranjit Singh was popularly known as the Lion of Punjab. At that time Maharaja Ranjit Singh was popularly known as the Lion of Punjab. Here it is written, you can read it. Maharaja Ranjit Singh was popularly known as the Lion of Punjab, same as Tipu Sultan is known as the Tiger of Mysore. Same thing happened over there. Thank you.